Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 23 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at Simons Middle School last week as it was Bengal Spirit Week, and you can see from some of the pictures that are available in the connection that students had a great time with those spirit days as well. Students and parents, I know that tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so just a reminder, if you are planning to send something to school for your child, or if you are planning to send something to one of your classmates' students, please remember that balloons and glass are not permitted on district transportation. So you will need to let the flower shops know if you're sending something to SMS that will be taken home on a bus that it cannot include glass or balloons. Also, we do still have the Ask the Principal link live. That is that QR code that is in the connection this week. So if you scan that, that will give you access to a Google form where you can ask a question, voice a concern, or even shout out to a teacher. So please, parents and students, utilize that. This week at Simons Middle School, we do have several things going on. The book fair is this week, and each day a different team of students will be visiting the book fair. So please make sure, students, that you know what day you are supposed to go to the fair this week. Tomorrow it will be the Blue Barracudas. Tuesday, Silver Snakes, Wednesday, Red Jaguars, and Thursday, Green Monkeys. The fair will also be open on Friday. So tomorrow we have an admin team meeting at 2. There is a Board of Ed meeting at 6:30 at Central Office on Tuesday. Brandenburg Boot Camp will take place this Tuesday after school. We also have a vertical team meeting scheduled for Tuesday beginning at 3:45. There are no events right now on the calendar for Wednesday and Thursday, but Friday we will have the debate in our auditorium during 5th period. That is for our gifted and talented students. And then we also have the BPI Focus scheduled for this Friday. We'd like to take a moment this week and shout out to our student spotlight, Miss Presley Dowdy. Presley is a 7th grader and Red Jaguar team member. She's a great young lady with a friendly and vivacious personality. She enjoys spending time with her family and friends and is active in her church. Presley stepped out of her comfort zone this past fall and played golf for the FCHS team. She's also participated on the Legacy softball team last summer and traveled around the region to improve her skills. She is looking to participate in school spring sports at SMS as well. Whatever she chooses, I'm sure she's going to give it her all. While she didn't play a role in the drama performance, she chose to operate sound and lights during the winter play, which was quite an accomplishment. I know I can't do that because there's 7 million switches, but Presley had all of those figured out. You can be sure, though, that whenever you see Presley, she always has a smile on her face. She's always laughing and giggling, and I'm very proud of her and her great personality. So thank you, Presley, for always bringing it and for keeping us smiling here at SMS. We do want to recognize this week's Achieve 3000 leaderboard. On Monday, our top scorer was Landon Ferris. Tuesday, Isabella Stacy. Wednesday, Brittany Riley. Thursday, Brooklyn Dungy. And Friday, Kayla Peter, the 2 students who had the most activities with a score of 75% or above on the first try. In grade 7 was Hanley High this week with 7 activities, and in grade 8 was Brittany Riley. And our weekly top scorer for the week was Brittany Riley. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's go Bengals!